Welcome to Imperial CAD system. In this video, I'll show you how to create a fork end of knuckle joint in AutoCAD 3D modeling. See here, this is knuckle joint assembly, and I will show you how to create this fork end on AutoCAD. This is a 3D model, and I will show you how to use 3D model commands in AutoCAD. See here, section view, total assembly section view is shown over here. So first take this shape, so in this case see this inner radius is 14 radius at this center, and outer radius is 14 plus 18 radius. So first take two circles, select over here workspace switching, get into 3D modeling, select view here, select front view. I'm not creating that profile on top view, I'm checking into front view. I fix axis at the corner, UCS icon, enter, N enter, then take two circles, C enter with 14 radius, (14 plus 18 means 32 radius. I'll take horizontal and vertical axis for reference, another line vertically. This is a circle center. Here we have vertical line 28 square, offset horizontal line 14 14, O enter, 14 enter, and this edge located at 105 distance from this center axis, assembly axis, this one. From here it is 25 radius plus 5 clearance, so total 30 mm you have to reduce from 105. So that makes 75, offset 75 this vertical line. Get into CAD, offset 75. Okay, now trim unwanted elements. We don't require this line, this line, this line, this line. Delete. So trim unwanted elements, or else you will be confused if you won't trim. If you go on offsetting lines, then some sort of confusion you can see. So for that I have trimmed that. See, from this center horizontal line 32 offset to top and down, offset 32, okay, trim, then and 18 This thickness is 18, offset 18, that's it. Then see our vertical axis at this position, 5 distance, 25 or 25 plus 5, 30. Go for offset 30, offset 30. Now up to here we require trim, we don't require this line. Trim middle line. Then remove these reference lines, horizontal and vertical, because we are adding thickness in taking this into 3D model and extruding this profile. So these are all independent lines, so we have to join and make single entity profile. In that case, go to command join, join somewhere here. Or else go for J enter, shortcut J enter, J enter, select all the objects, enter, again J enter, again select these elements. Now it becomes a single entity profile. Then we can also give corner here at this edge. Here not particularly mentioned, I give some 10 mm. Fillet F, enter, right click, trim option, right click, radius 10, right click, select multiple, 1 and 2, 1 and 2. Okay, fine. Then get into Southwest SW isometric. Okay. Then go for extrude. How much we need to extrude? Just check this. See 28 square. So select 28. Enter 28. 28. Realistic. Give a color. Selecting some light color as background is black. Dark not preferred. You can select any isometric options here. Southeast, you can also keep like this. Next, see front side it is round with a 25 radius at this edge. Here it is from center it is 25 radius round. So in our model from this edge it should be 25 radius. So no need to getting into top view or creating a circle and going for extrude. Instead of that, directly select cylinder. You can either directly select a midpoint over here so that cylinder appears, or at side I give 25 radius so that see cylinder, but I don't want in this direction. This is it showing it's in Z direction. In this case, right click on that axis endpoint. Now you can manipulate to any axis. Go for 18 width, then simply move this, enter, select center, here midpoint. Now copy the same thing to its bottom. Copy this here, copy, or CO enter. Select object, enter, either mid or center of the cylinder. Hold midpoint here. Now there exactly it is placed. Now escape, union, go for here solid union, object 1 2 3, enter. See here, or else you can also apply color, the same color for this. Control Z, I'm going back. For this also I am applying unique color. Okay, then now go for solid union, object 1 2 3, enter, or right click. Turn this and I will show you. To turn, select shift and scroll button. Now a hole of 25 dia at center. Same thing, go for cylinder, or directly you just create cylinder at the center. See, F6 dynamic usage should be on to trace on the surface. 12.5 radius. Subtract, go to subtract, main part, enter, removing part. It is not formed at the center, that's why I went back. Move this, enter. Hold exactly at center. shift right click center, then subtract, main part, enter, removing part. Now it is at center. Then a cylinder 25 size, dia and length you can take around 20. Here this one, this feature, cylinder directly you can place here 12.5, 25, or let it be 20. To edit again, double click and edit, apply a color. Now add this, select this feature and this feature, enter, then that becomes a single part. Now this one. So how to create this? 36 given, but size is not given here. As it is a 28 height, take around some 8 mm. Then front view, two D wireframe. So what I do here is I go for line or polyline, 36, 8, and here arc 36, 8, here you need to create one circle, enter, eight radius, move this circle, hold quadrant point and end point, trim, TR, double enter, so you got that shape. I took this profile, okay, join this, get into 3D, I am changing view, Select revolve option, select profile, enter. Next axis start point and axis end point. 360 degrees revolve. Apply a color. I move this object and I place at the corner endpoint. Copy this now. Go to subtract, main part, enter. 1 2 3, turn this part. See, so 8 mm, it should be 7 mm. So we go back. Yes, enter. So I am reducing 1 mm. Thirty-six, 7, 7 radius. Move this. Join. Get into isometric. revolve, axis start point, axis end point, now move this, copy this, CO enter, turn this, now subtract this, main part, enter, here corner fillet is there, so apply fillet, in 3D, F enter, radius 30, see applied radius 30 here, like this you have to create knuckle joint, fork end using AutoCAD 3D modeling commands. You can apply color to the face also. For this face, here we can apply color faces, only we have to select that one, turn the other side, So like this we have to use these options, we have to use these 3D modeling options to create this part. If you select continuous orbit here, then just click on that, then it keeps on rotating. Thank you for watching this video. For more videos, subscribe Imperial CAD System.